What's the meaning of cost of living? Cost of living. Cost of living.
Cost of living. Cost of living. The cost of living refers to the amount of money needed to sustain a basic standard of living in a particular area or country, taking into account factors such as housing, food, transportation, healthcare, and other necessities. It represents the average cost of goods and services required for day-to-day living. The cost of living can vary widely depending on location, with some areas being more expensive than others. It is an important consideration for individuals and businesses when making financial decisions and planning for the future.